Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by whisking 4 eggs with 1/4 cup milk and a pinch of salt. This adds silkiness and volume. While whisking, chop 1/2 onion, 1 jalapeno, and mince 1 clove garlic so flavors bloom quickly. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet over medium. Aim for 160 degrees 180 degrees C so aromatics soften without burning. Once the oil shimmers, add onion and jalapeno. Sauté until translucent. Make sure garlic goes in last to avoid bitterness. You pour the beaten eggs into the warmed skillet and let them sit undisturbed for 5 to 10 seconds so the bottom begins to set. This creates tender curds. Then, using a silicone spatula, scrape from the edges toward the center, folding rather than aggressively stirring. Low and slow preserves creaminess. Once mostly set but slightly wet, fold in 1/3 cup salsa for acidity and 1/4 cup cheese off the heat. Residual warmth melts cheese without overcooking the eggs. You plate the eggs right away to stop carryover cooking, then garnish with cilantro, a lime wedge, and avocado slices for creaminess and brightness. Serve alongside warm tortillas or toast and offer extra salsa so diners can adjust heat. This preserves texture and balance. If the eggs look dry or rubbery, note the troubleshooting tip. Remove from heat when slightly underdone next time and stir in 1 teaspoon butter for silkiness. This simple adjustment corrects overcooking and restores moisture without changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.